So yes people, you also can pick your favorite dish. Just comment below. Name the right up there. So pick your favorite dish people. Watch the video till it ends so you can know who win. Understand? So just as me I say, watch the video till the end. Remember, subscribe to the channel. That's still my way may I do. If it right or if it right or if it definitely it must be right. Anyways, check out them mad talent what we are showing now. Facebook, IG, I rate them. Check out them mad talent people. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Happy belated Mother's Day to all mothers out there. What's good, Soul Fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah. Take a look at.
What's good, Soul Fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. You know back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. You know, out here with I do it like every day. So we have something fun special today. We have a competition, first competition for our channel, first ever competition for our channel. Isn't it? So Mother's Day special. So some people sending some Mother's Day dish. Put them up on our channel, Facebook. Put them up on Facebook, IG. You know, say people in those are real on it. Either they must say yes to the dish or no to the dish. Yeah. So how do you know? So winner get 1,000 of these cell credit. These cell are flow. Second place are 500. Third place 250. So who does I get right in the video? Anyway, before we get into the video, who does I ask a favor? Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Subscribe it. Yeah, you know what you mean. Just click that button there and just click the bell. Isn't it? Comment below. Drop your video ideas, your video suggestions. I get right in the video. Right in the video. We have to write down the points. So we're going to help with add up the points. How it goes that amount of points. Competition. So you have some video that direction. So one of those are yes to the dish or no to the dish. Yeah, so we have a first dish up. We have our first dish up. We have 81% saying yes to the dish. 90% saying no to the dish. We are work by. So the person who get the most person to say yes win. So on a help you now. So the first dish we got 39 points. So on the help you right there. A couple people are saying no. We have 39 people to say yes. That's good. Presentation wise, more than say yes. Yes, people. So presentation wise, more than say yes to the dish there. Yes. So people, want to just comment down below which dish you know that prefer as a Sunday dinner.
Our first dish up. We have 81.
So we have 17% I say yes to the dish there. 33% saying no to the dish. I just have to say yo, thumbs up for the people and we support what things are from. Just keep on supporting what things, you see me? Each one build one, you see me? Yeah, for real. So you can drop another comment and just comment one that said to the dish, but you see me? Just like that. So we have 50 people vote for it. We have 17 saying yes. So this number 2, 17 pounds.
Yeah, man, so people remember first jot down the number we do, you see me? Jot down the number them.
Yes.
Count up your points them.
Anyway, for the people who always support my thing when I drop my thing on support the thing. Thumbs up, you see me? Keep on supporting.
Dish number 3, people.
Yeah, man, for real, so we just promote the people, them talent, or them prepare them meal for them Mother's Day. Happy belated Mother's Day to every mothers in the world. You know, do a great job. See me? Remember, people, take a page to jot down, pints them. Which dish, thing for win the credit, just comment down.
Like this so far. Comment down below and tell you how like this so far. You see me? Each one help one. So we just promote some other people's talent. Some of the food them really look good. You see me? Some real Jamaican food we are showing us right now. So happy Mother's Day. Pre-Mother's Day, because the Mother's Day gone already. Contact the video. Yeah, people, so when I say about the things so far, I want to feel, want to think, comment down below and remember, subscribe to the channel, you see me? Each one help one, small YouTuber come up.
Yeah, people, presentation wise, just vote, comment down below on that say on the favorite dish. Who wanna feel like for win the credit? What dish that look forward for eat on a Sunday? Yeah, man. Just comment down below. Just know all the things I go so far. See me? So we have 31 on that. 31 people saying yes. So remember, people, get on a pencil, drop down on the pints for your favorite dish. You see me? Keep score with me.
We have 87% saying yes to the dish and 33% saying no to the dish, please. You see me?
So we have 46% saying yes to the dish, 54% saying yes to 54% saying no to the dish.
Dish number 5.
Trust me, that dish they look nice. So we have 20 saying yes. So no drop down the points again. 20% saying yes. And people, bear in mind this is a thing we do like. That thing we do every Sunday, but every mountain we are putting a competition in it, so you can look forward for that. So we there 56% saying yes and 44% saying no to the dish.
So we have 46% saying yes to the dish and 54% saying no.
We have 44%, 44 people voting on the dish. See me?
40 people vote on the dish. So, Daniela 30. Her birthday was Monday.
Dish number 6.
We have 25 money saying yes and 19 saying no. So this one we got 62% saying yes and 38% saying no to the dish. Alright, cool. So comment down below your favorite dish. Yeah, your favorite dish.
Pick on the favorite dish, which dish you want to carry, which dish you want to feel like after this, which dish you want to win. After this, you are jump over to IG.
So we have 72% saying yes to the dish.
So if you feel like you want to send in a dish,
Dish number 7.
can send in your dish. I will put up your dish on Facebook and show the people and keep your dish. You know? So you can comment down below on things. I say, comment down below on favorite dish. Which one on the
We have 76% saying yes to the dish. So we have 30 people who vote yes to the dish right now. So people, if you can look on the pattern,
Dish number
yeah, watch
8.
and look on the pattern, you can know exactly whose dish
38 some other
these
votes,
are.
honestly.
Just check out the pattern and who say yes and who say no, and you will know.
Dish number 9.
Dish number 9. Yes, people. 30% saying yes. 30%, 30 people say yes to dish people right there. Yeah, so. By checking these pattern, people you can know who for this. Trust me. Checking the pattern, you must can know who are who for this. So, trust me. Presentation wise. Alright, people. Presentation wise, Muda say yes to the dish. Yeah, look like a nice Sunday dinner. Yeah, Muda put like all that. What would I drink with this? You know? People won't drink with this food. Me would I drink either carrot or if a friend will make a juice and name 3 blend special a juice there bad. You see me? She in a competition too. Yeah man, so would I probably go with the carrot juice with this pan as a Sunday, and then after down in a night for dessert, would I take a ice cream or cheesecake? Wanna feel? Would I go with the ice cream? Anyway, we'll go back into the video. The video. What was it? What I'm looking at, people? What happened? What happened? We ain't got no 20 points. We ain't got no 20 points. People, look like we're going back somewhere. Hold on, give me a minute, the people. Some technical difficulty. Alright, that's over there, people. Alright, that's over there. Yeah, 26.
Dish number 8.
Which one I wonder one for Sunday dinner? Which one I wonder pick for them?
Dish number 9.
Drop in the comment section to what you think for the dishes so far. Who do you think deserves it all more actually? So do you guys think deserve the credit? I can be crazy at times.
The way you go.
Alright, now we're over.
Have a name again? Strength?
Anyway, people, they're over IG right now. They're over IG. Ja.
Alright, so far we have Renisha 39 points, Melissa 20, Doug 31, Nika 17, Shani 33, Danique 27, Lim, 34. Abby, 30. Tonel, 26. And Dana, 25.
Right now we are going to IG.
IGP for IG.
Who are going to take it? Oh. We are going to IG now, people. Add up, so remember, on keep on taking the score. So first, when we start off with Noah, I'll be.
It's a record? But I have to go for now if to see somebody like you.
People
I have to go for now if to see somebody like you.
It all comes down to these people. It all comes down to this. Remember, people, when you just comment down below and let's say who you think which dish one of that eat as a food. Now look forward every Sunday to see presentation wise and presentation. I will switch from that one and see it just by looking at it. Switch from that one. No, then look at the comment down below. So, just give me a minute. We have to tell you who win.
Two first place, Renisha and Lim. Second place, Shani. Third place, Abby. Fourth place, Dubs. Fifth place, Danique. Sixth place, Tones. Seventh place, Donna. And eighth place, Melissa.
Tiebreaker.
The tiebreaker. So,
We can go on.
yeah, so who see figure first and second. So go over back on IG and Facebook and vote for the two this year. You see which one figure first place and second
Look
place.
up the next video to see if you want who win.
We see
Next video
who
phone
wins.
drop.
Alright, peace.
Oh.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Hit
Peace.
that post notification.